Hello guys. Hello, wonderful people. Hello, good evening everyone. Good evening. It's me, your girl Ojo Tracy, TV of Peace. The only one piece, no copyright, guys. Okay, today I will be talking about important issue. Yes, it's important issue. Okay, but first of all, before I go into my issue, into my content today, I would like to say big thank you to you all my subscribers, all my supporters, those of you that have been supporting me. I just want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you to you all that have showed me love, that have supported me in this my YouTube channel. I say thank you. Big thank you to you all guys. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the green notification bell. Whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see. Okay, and don't forget to like and don't forget to thumbs up for your girl. Thank you so much for your understanding. God bless you. So today I will be sharing a wonderful issue, a wonderful method, a wonderful thing to you guys. Okay, what I will be saying is a story of our sister. I can say our sister. She's from Nigeria, so she really needs help. So why I am here to talk about this issue, because it corresponds to my program. That is why I am here. Because maybe a lot of you have not gone through my program, or this is the first of my video you have watched. So I'm into marriages. Okay, talk about marriages, how to help you in your marriage, how to make your home grow, how to support your marriage, how to win the life of your marriage. Okay, that is what I do. So guys, so I will be bringing this issue today. I will be presenting it to you guys today. So what I'm trying to say, so there was a girl, maybe she's not that matured. If I guessed, she might be 28 or 29 years old girl. Okay, so according to her, she said she's school and she finished her education, and then she was looking for job in Nigeria, in our country. So for so many years that she can't find a job, so she decided to change her method of searching of job, that she have to go and look for job in another man's country. So she come across about this agent of a thing, these agents, people that take people to travel to any other country. Excuse me guys. So those agents, they promised to help her to get a job in America, in the United States, in the United Kingdom. So they promised her to get a job over there. So she accepted. She was very happy that she found somebody that is going to help her to get a job in America. So she signed the contract and as an agreement to go with them. So after signing the contract with them to go with them, so they take her to Arab country instead of United Kingdom, America, because the agreement she made was America, and what she saw, she later ended in Arab country, which is called Oman Arab country. Yes, Oman. So I don't know, I have not heard the name of that country before, but maybe a lot of you will know that place. So getting that place, she said okay, no problem, as far they can give her a job, she don't have choice. So she have to stay there with them and stay with their rules. Let them give her a job. So they take her to a family. After she got there, they said she's going to be doing a job as house help. She said okay, no problem, as far as a job she have hunted for so many years in Nigeria that she can't find a job, so any job for her is good to go. So she accepted to do the job. So after doing that job for 4 months, for 3 to 4 months, yeah, if I'm not making a mistake, but I'm still going to play the video for you guys, for you to hear from her. Okay, her number is there. She called her number, her name, so I'm not going to bring her name from my mouth, so you guys will hear from the horse's mouth yourself. So if you know anybody that know her, you can help her. So what I'm trying to say here, that for 3 to 4 months she have been working with this family, and they refuse to give her a monthly salary. They refuse to pay her. So she cried to the agency that take her from Nigeria to this Arab country, that this is what she's going through, that the family that they take her to, they refuse to give her a salary. And when she was working, she don't even have time to rest. She worked almost all the days. According to she, that she have only 4 hours to sleep. Only 4 hours to sleep. The rest hours is for job, for work and work and work. But she don't even have problem with that. The problem that she have, that they refuse to pay her her salary, and the man that is the oga of the house is even trying to sleep with her, and she refused. And the man said if she refused again, that he's going to kill her. Is going to kill her. So she ran to those agents that bring her from Nigeria, that even connected her to this family, that this is what she's going through. So those people said that, sorry, we don't know, we don't have any help to do for you. There is nothing they can do. Can you beat that? That this is our Nigeria people, Nigeria to Nigeria, selling our people to Arab people. Okay, your sister cried to you that this is what she's passing through in the hand of another country people, and you say you have nothing to do, and you are the person that bring her from Nigeria to this Arab country instead of taking her to America, what you people agreed on. So my people, are you people seeing what we are going through in our Nigeria? So what I'm trying to bring out from this issue now, the fault is from the parent of that girl. Yes, because she's not the only one going into violence. She's not the only one going through this suffering of a teen leaving our country, coming to another country to survive, to hustle, to look for a job, to do this, to do that. Yes, a lot of us, a lot of we people in this Europe, this is what we pass through before we regain ourselves as a strong person, and we regain ourselves to stand as a person in another man's land. Yes, this is what everybody goes through. So what I'm trying to say here, that if our parents stand for us, our parents fight for us, because you that is watching me today, you are not going to tell me that you as a mother or as a father, you are not fighting, you are not trying your possible best to make sure you give your children the best of life. For me, that is what I do. For me, that is what I do. I make sure I give my children the best of life. What my parents cannot do for me, I make sure I do it for them, because the stress and the suffer I go through, I don't want them to go the same suffer. I don't want them to pass the same way I pass. I don't want them to suffer the same way I suffer. So that is what I'm trying to say. So the problem this girl is passing through now, this poor girl, this innocent girl, the fault is for our parents. So that is why I say, when you are married, please, as a mother or as a father, husband and wife, I am begging, put your head together, reason together, think how to take care of your children, think how to build your home, think how to raise the future of your children, think how to make the better of your tomorrow, so that your children will not suffer the same way you as a father or you as a mother suffered. Yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. Okay, if to say our parents or the parents of that innocent girl stand by her, that don't worry, you will find a job, don't worry, everything will be fine, supporting her, putting her in prayer, she will not fall victim in the hands of those people that take her to another man's country. She will not fall victim, and she will not be crying today. Okay, I'm going to play this video for you guys. And if any of you know her, a number, she's going to call a number for you. She's going to call a number for you. If you know her, you know anybody that connected to her, please kindly help her. She really needs help. She needs our help. She really, really do need our help. Okay? I am not the type, my program is not to help somebody to look for family. Mine is just to make an advice, what we can do, what we are not supposed to do. Okay, so if you are the type that can help her to pass away this stress, that can help her to connect with her family back home in Nigeria, for them to find a way to help her away from this situation that she's going on now in another man's land, because now she want to go back home and she don't know how to do it, and she don't know how to make it, how to go back home. Please guys, if you know you are the one who can help her to overcome this time of trial in her life, this time of pain, this is educated somebody we are talking about. Educated somebody we are talking about. So guys, I will play this video and watch. Tell me what you see. Okay?
Ẹ kálẹ́ gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Orúkọ mi ni Adétómísìn. Ọmọ Nàìjíríà ni mí, from Ondo State. Oman ni mo wà tí mo ti ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ìgbà tí màá kó Nàìjíríà, US lèmi àti agent mi jọ sọ pé màá ti lọ ṣiṣẹ́. Nígbà tí mo parí ICE program mi tí ó ṣiṣẹ́ tí mo dẹ̀ rí situation of things tó ṣe rí ni mo ṣe choose pé kí n travel. Agent mi ní pé òun máa bá mi secure iṣẹ́ ní US. All of a sudden ni gbogbo everything changed mi, gbogbo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ló fi gbé wa wá sí Oman, èmi àti one other lady kọ́. Nígbà tá a dé airport Loma, àwọn méjì kan náà wá gbé wa. Ìgbà tó gbé wa, wọ́n gbé wa lọ sí ọ́fíìsì kan. Ìgbà tá a dé ọ́fíìsì yẹn, wọ́n gba passport wa, wọ́n gba everything lọ́wọ́ wa. Wọ́n gba everything lọ́wọ́ wa pẹ̀lú fóònù wa. Wọ́n gbé wa lọ síbi tá a ti máa ṣiṣẹ́. Ìgbà tí mo débi tí màá ti máa ṣiṣẹ́, ọ̀gá mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní threaten mi. Ṣé ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní threaten mi tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní frustrate life mi. For the first 4 months tí mo ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀, kò fún mi ní salary, kò fún mi lówó kankan. Kò fún mi lówó kankan. Ìgbà tí mo pe agent mi ní pé òun ti play part òun, kò sí nǹkan tó kọ òun mọ́ wá. Àtìgbà yẹn ni mo sì ń pè tí ò gbé kọ́ mọ́, kò gbé kọ́ mi mọ́. Kò gbé kọ́ mi mọ́. Nígbà tó wá yá ni mo rí bí everything ṣe ń lọ. Tọ́gá mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní threaten mi pé dandan ṣáfẹ́ máa bá mi sùn, mo dẹ̀ ní mi lè ṣe. Pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ wàhálà tí mò ń ṣe, màá sì jí láago 4 ìdájí. Màá sì jí láago 4 ìdájí. Ó di 12 o'clock, 12:01 lóru kí n tó lọ padà lọ sùn. Mo ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní threaten mi pé tí mi bá ṣe kan tó fẹ́ pé òun máa pa mí ni. Mo yẹ níbi ìṣe mọ́ nìyẹn o, pé kó dá mi padà sí country mi after oṣù 4 tí mo ti lò. Tí mi ò rówó gbà, tí ó sówó, tí ó sì kọ̀ọ̀kan tí mo ṣiṣẹ́ látàárọ̀ dálẹ́ lójoojúmọ́. Mo yẹ gbé mi padà lọ sí ọ́fíìsì nìyẹn o, ọ́fíìsì tí wọ́n ti mú mi wá sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. Nígbà tí mo dé ọ́fíìsì, wọ́n ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pariwo mọ́ wa. Wọ́n gbé wa lọ sínú yàrá kan, wọ́n tì wá mọ́bẹ̀ ya. Nígbà tó tì wá mọ́bẹ̀, odidi ọ̀sẹ̀ kan kò sóúnjẹ, kò sómi. Omi tọ́lẹ́ẹ̀tì ni most of us ń mu fún odidi ọ̀sẹ̀ kan. Kó tó di pé wọ́n ṣe wá gbé wa padà lọ ṣiṣẹ́. Ìgbà tó tún wá gbé wa padà lọ ṣiṣẹ́, mo ti lò ọdún kan àti oṣù 2 lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. Ara mi ò yá o, ara mi ò yá, mo sick. Mo sọ fún ọ̀gá mi pé kó jẹ́ kí n máa padà sí country mi. Ṣé ló ní mi ilé padà sí country mi o? Ní mi ilé padà sí country mi o. Gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà ẹ gbà mí o, mo fẹ́ wá sílé o. Gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà ẹ gbà mí o. Gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà, mo fẹ́ wá sílé, ẹ gbà mí o. Ara mi ò yá, ọ̀gá mi ní mi ilé wá sílé. Nọ́mbà mi ni 968 9254 4763. Nọ́mbà mi nìyẹn o. Gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà ẹ gbà mí o. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí n kú sílùú ọmọdé.
So guys, what did you think about the video? I believe you guys have heard her. She have called her number, she have said her name, a lot of you, because she said it all with her dialect, so somebody interpret to me, so I understand. So maybe those of you that don't understand Yoruba, I have said a lot, a flea of the issue. Okay, I've said some bit of it, so a lot of you guys that understand a dialect of Yoruba language, so what did you think about her, and which kind of help do you have for her? How can you help her to locate her family back home in Nigeria? So thank you guys for watching my video. As a mother, as a father, please let's put hands together to help our children, to support our children in life, for them not to go through the hand of wicked people, for them not to suffer the same way we have suffered. Okay, for them not to go into the things of world. Okay, so let's find how to help our children, and let's find a way out to support our children. Okay guys, thank you all for watching my video. I really do appreciate, so thank you guys. Please don't forget to share my video, don't forget to share this video viral, because sharing this video will make her see a helper. It will make her to see somebody who can help her away from this situation. Okay, and please don't forget to like, if you have not subscribed. When you see that red handwriting, please click it so that you subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell, and don't forget to like. Okay guys, and drop a genuine comment. As you do that, God bless you. See you next time on my video. So I still remain the Tracy Ojo TV of Peace, the mother of peace. I have no copyright. Bye guys.